subtracting with renaming. And first of all, you always begin by estimating. So this is 8, and so I would put 8 minus 3/4 is close to 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3, so 8 minus 3 equals 5. So my answer should be close to 5. So to rename, I have to rename because I can't take 3/4 from 0, from space. So I have to use the denominator of the other number, and so I have to borrow from this and make this a 7. And then this number is in 4s, so it's going to be easier if I subtract with 4. So 4 equals 1, so 1 plus 7 equals 8, my original number. Now I can just subtract the numerators. 4 minus 3 is 1/4, and 7 minus 2 is 5. And 5 and 1/4 would round or be close to 5, so my estimate is good. And I can't simplify because 1/4 is in simplest form. So this one, I look at this and I go, I can't take 3 from 1. So I have to borrow, the 4 becomes a 3. Then watch what I have to do. I have to add that into, that one that I borrowed, into 1/4. But the way I have to do that is to go 4 plus 1 equals 5/4. And then minus 3/4. And 5 minus 3 is 2/4. And 3 minus 2 is 1. And this simplifies to 1 and 1/2. Now I should have estimated. I should have said 4 and 1/4 goes to 4. And 2 and 3/4 is almost 3. So minus 3 equals 1. So 1, 1.5, pretty close together. So at least I would know that I'm in the right ballpark. So make sure that you take 1 from here and then add this up. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5/4. 5 minus 3 is 2. My 4's come down, and then I simplify. And then this one is the most challenging. This one I have to find a common denominator first. So my common denominator of 8 and 4 is going to be 8. Because that's the first number, that's my least common multiple of 4 and 8. So now I make my equivalents. 8 times 1 is 8, so 1 times 1 is 1. And 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now, I say I can't take 6, I can't take 6 from 1. Can't take 6 from 1. So I have to borrow. This becomes a 6, and I add this up, and 9/8 minus 6/8, and now I just realized I didn't estimate. That was 7 minus 3 equals 4. And 9 minus 6 is 3/8, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So I get 4 3/8, which is close to 4. So go ahead and you get ready to show what you know and practice writing these. If you need to see the examples again, play them back. The examples were a whole number, subtract a mixed number, a mixed number, subtract a mixed number, same denominators, and then a mixed number, subtract a mixed number, different denominators. So this is like the first example, this is like the second example, this is like the third example. And I'm going to leave this up here. This will be your homework check in class tomorrow, where you select the right answer, and you need to show your work, select the right answer, and then be ready to vote so that we can make sure that you understand how to subtract with renaming.